Can you really buy Bitcoin with a credit card on Coinbase? You've heard about Bitcoin. Maybe you've even dipped your toes into the world of cryptocurrency. But here's a burning question. Can you actually buy Bitcoin on Coinbase using a trusty old credit card? Let's dive in and find out. I know what you're thinking. It sounds simple enough, right? Credit card, Coinbase, Bitcoin, done deal. But hold your horses. The world of crypto isn't always as straightforward as it seems. There are fees, regulations, and a whole lot of other stuff to consider. So, why would you even want to use a credit card to buy Bitcoin? Well, for starters, it's convenient. You probably already have a credit card in your wallet, so it's an easy option. Plus, if you're new to crypto, it might feel less risky than linking your bank account. But is it really the best choice? We'll get to that. Let's talk about Coinbase. It's one of the most popular cryptocurrency platforms out there. It's relatively user-friendly, and it offers a range of cryptocurrencies beyond Bitcoin. But does it actually let you buy Bitcoin with a credit card? The short answer is yes, you can. But there's a catch. Coinbase does allow credit card purchases, but it comes with a hefty fee. We're talking about percentages here, not a flat rate. So, the more Bitcoin you buy, the more you'll pay in fees. And that's not all. Credit card companies often treat crypto purchases as cash advances, which means you'll likely face even higher interest rates. Now, you might be thinking, okay, so maybe credit cards aren't the best option. And you'd be right. There are definitely better ways to buy Bitcoin. For starters, linking your bank account to Coinbase is usually cheaper. It might take a few days for the funds to clear, but the savings can be significant. Another option to consider is using a debit card. It's generally faster than a bank transfer and often comes with lower fees than a credit card. But remember, even with debit cards, you might face some charges. So, should you buy Bitcoin with a credit card on Coinbase? Well, it depends. If you're only buying a small amount and need the Bitcoin instantly, it might be an option. But if you're planning on investing a larger sum, you're probably better off exploring other methods. It's also worth mentioning that the cryptocurrency market is incredibly volatile. Bitcoin's price can fluctuate wildly, so it's essential to do your research and understand the risks before investing any money. And let's not forget about security. Always make sure you're using a secure internet connection when dealing with cryptocurrency and enable two-factor authentication on your Coinbase account. To sum it up, while you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase with a credit card, it's generally not the most cost-effective or wise choice. Consider using a bank account or debit card instead to save on fees. And remember, cryptocurrency investing carries risks, so proceed with caution. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.